Thus, let's delve into the movements on the industrial index, taking a look at the big heavyweight movers, Econet and Delta, managing both to close on a positive note, but not enough to lift the index more than 1/3% for the week. What was driving those stocks?
I think Delta and Econet have responded to positive performance since they released their results. Econet has rallied from the lows of about 370. Now it's trading at 405 cents. Delta released their results on Wednesday. They came almost in line with analyst expectations. It's up a marginal 1.45%.
Yeah. On the other end of the spectrum, of course, we saw the mining index fall back by 5.6%. A lot of negative publicity continues to plague the likes of Rio, that stock being hit by concerns around the implications for its mines with all the indigenization laws. What is your outlook for the mining sector right now with all the uncertainty in the mining space?
I think publicity has hit Rio. Now that there are media reports that Germany, which underwrote their rights issue, is not compliant with the indigenization regulation, that has impacted negatively on the stock, and it has shedded 5.4% in the week. Ventura has been on a rally after announcement that they had found a partner for their to invest in their company, but I think the rally wasn't sustainable, and investors have come in to book their profits. So we are seeing profit taking in Ventura, and the negative publicity affecting Rio Zim.
Yeah, Tinashe, let's move on to the banking sector, because talking about rights issues, ABC's come out saying that they're looking to raise $50 million. That's, of course, through a rights issue, and that will be the largest issue that we've seen post-dollarization. What are your thoughts on the price that they're looking at those shares? Are they looking at a 4.28 for each of the shares, and the fact that they're also looking to offer one new share for every 1.79 shares already held?
Yeah, that's very true. I think the market will take this positively. As you know, the Zimbabwean market has been short of liquidity, and that has also hindered some of the companies that would have wanted to have rights issues or to raise capital to capitalize their businesses. But with ABC coming onto the market with a $50 million rights issue, I think this is a positive development. It will go a long way in easing the liquidity challenges that the country is facing at the moment.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is a very positive development.
Of course, also in the insurance space, looking at meeting liquidity requirements, you've also had the Insurance and Pensions Commission come out with their minimum capital requirements for short-term insurers. That's been set at $300,000. It's considered relatively low. So any of these short-term insurers that we need to be worried about right now, and the ability of them to meet that target?
Yeah, I think listed on the stock exchange with the likes of Zimre and Nichols Diamond. But one thing to notice, the insurance sector has been loosely regulated over the years. Maybe it was because of the hyperinflation era. But now, confidence has to be restored to the insurance sector as a whole, and increasing the capital levels of the insurance, short-term insurers, over the 300,000 is in line with, I think, global standards, given the risk that these insurance companies are carrying in terms of the business that they are underwriting. Currently, the insurance industry is worth about 180 million, the whole sector, and with a requirement of minimum capital of 300,000, I think it's a far cry. Also, the regulator will also make the publication of the financial results mandatory, so that there is closer scrutiny and people can have confidence in the insurance sector once again.
So some positive developments there really in the financial sector. We'll leave it at that for today.